Greetings, how you doing? Phil here. I know I haven't made a video in a while, so I just wanted to update you guys. You see, normally I shoot my videos in my garage, which is a little cold right now in the middle of winter in Canada. So I've been trying to set up a winter studio, which has been a little difficult because it's kind of a lockdown right now. But I'm here now, and I wanted to take you guys on the grand tour of my new studio, or my new working space where I can do all kinds of awesome experiments and stuff. Let me take you on a tour. Here we have some shelves. There's nothing on the shelves yet because I have to go get my stuff. Actually, my stuff is all over here, and then I'm gonna go take my stuff and I'm gonna go put it on the shelves. And then I'm gonna go get some nice lights so it's not so harsh. Up in there, a nice industrial ceiling here. And look, there's a wall. I mean, there's walls everywhere, but this one's nice and, I don't know, kitchen-y. I'll probably use that for something. And take a look. Look, I've got a whole bunch of stuff out here that I can use, that I can set up and I can make sets and things. Of course, I have to do it all myself because, you know, even asking friends to help me during a lockdown is kind of difficult. So anyway, that's where I am. I'm in the process of setting up my new studio. So thank you all for being patient while I get this all set up, and I will make new videos absolutely soon. And I'm going to start getting to work right now. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.